Welcome back to my channel, Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about trigonometry. Here we are going to discuss about the topic expansions of cos and theta and sin and theta in powers of cos theta and sin theta. Before moving to the topic, we must know some basic formulas. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. From that we can write cos square theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. In your lower classes, you have studied De Morgan's theorem. The theorem is cos theta plus I sin theta power n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Now I am going to expand cos theta plus I sin theta power n using binomial theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta power n can be written as cos power n theta plus nc1 cos n minus 1 theta I sin theta plus nc2 cos n minus 2 theta I square sin square theta plus nc3 cos n minus 3 theta I cube sin cube theta plus etc. We know that I square is minus 1, so this term becomes minus nc2. Here I cube can be written as I square into I. I square is minus 1. So minus I into nc3 cos n minus theta sin cube theta plus etc. We can segregate real and imaginary terms. Here you get cos n theta minus nc2 cos power n minus 2 theta sin square theta plus nc4 cos n minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta plus I into nc1 cos n minus 1 theta sin theta minus nc3 cos n minus 3 theta sin cube theta plus etc. We know that cos theta plus I sin theta power n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So this can be written as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Right hand side you write as it is. Separate real and imaginary parts. Left hand side real part is cos n theta. So cos n theta is equal to cos power n theta minus nc2 cos power n minus 2 theta sin square theta plus nc4 cos n minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta minus etc. Here you are getting even terms. Imaginary part is sin n theta. So sin n theta is equal to nc1 cos power n minus 1 theta sin theta minus nc3 cos power n minus 3 theta sin cube theta plus nc5 cos power n minus 5 theta sin power 5 theta minus etc. Now let us move on to the problem. Express cos 6 theta in terms of cos theta. First you write the formula for cos n theta. Cos n theta is equal to cos power n theta minus nc2 cos power n minus 2 theta sin square theta plus nc4 cos power n minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta minus nc6 cos power n minus 6 theta sin power 6 theta plus etc. Cos 6 theta is equal to cos power 6 theta minus 6c2 cos power 6 minus 2 theta sin square theta plus 6c4 cos power 6 minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta minus 6c6 cos power 6 minus 6 theta sin power 6 theta. We can find 6c2, 6c4 and 6c6 values using Pascal's triangle. The Pascal's triangle is like this. Since our n value is 6, we write 6 terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First you write 1, 1, then 1, adding 1 plus 1, 2, then 1 again. Now write 1 again, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, then write 1 here. Next one, write 1 here, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1 is 4 and write 1 here. Then 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, then write 1 here. The last term is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 is 15, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then write 1 again. Cos 6 theta is cos power 6 theta minus 6c2 cos power 6 minus 2 theta sin square theta plus 6c4 cos power 6 minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta minus 6c6 cos power 6 minus 6 theta sin power 6 theta. Here 6c2 value is 15, 6c4 value is 15 and 6c6 is 1. So we can write this as cos power 6 theta minus 15 cos power 4 theta sin square theta plus 15 cos square theta sin power 4 theta. 66 is 1. So minus cos power 0 theta sin power 6 theta. That is cos power 6 theta minus 15 cos power 4 theta. We want to give our values in terms of cos theta. So this can be written as 1 minus cos square theta plus 15 cos square theta. Sin power 4 theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta whole square minus anything power 0 is 1. Sin power 6 theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta whole cube. Cos 6 theta is equal to cos power 6 theta minus 15 cos power 4 theta 1 minus cos square theta plus 15 cos square theta. Expand 1 minus cos square theta whole square using a minus b whole square formula. That is 1 square minus 2. A value is 1. B value is cos square plus b square, that is cos 4 theta minus expanding 1 minus cos square theta whole cube using a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus 3. A square is 1. B value is cos square theta plus 3. A value is 1. B square is cos power 4 theta minus b cube, that is cos power 6 theta. Cos square theta power 3 is cos 6 theta. So this can be written as cos 6 theta is equal to cos power 6 theta minus operate 15 cos power 4 theta inside. So 15 cos power 4 theta minus into minus plus. So plus 15 cos power 6 theta plus 15 cos square into 1 is 15 cos square theta. 15 cos square theta into 2 cos square theta is minus 30 cos power 4 theta plus 15 cos power 4 theta minus 1 plus 3 cos square theta minus 3 cos power 4 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Here the highest power is 6. So add all the sixth power term. Cos power 6 theta plus 15 cos power 6 theta plus 15 cos power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is 32 cos power 6 theta. Next you add all the fourth power terms, that is 15. Here you have 30, so 45. 45. Here you have 3, so 45 plus 3 is 48 minus 48 cos power 4 theta. Next you go for power 2. 15. Here you have 1 3, so 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 18 cos square theta. The constant term is minus 1. So cos 6 theta is equal to 32 cos power 6 theta minus 48 cos power 4 theta plus 18 cos square theta minus 1. So first you write the formula. In the formula put n is equal to 6. Then you write the Pascal's triangle. Apply the values in cos 6 theta and then replace sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Then apply the formulas a minus b square and a minus b whole cube. Simplifying this, we get cos 6 theta is equal to 32 cos power 6 theta minus 48 cos power 4 theta plus 18 cos square theta minus 1. Whatever the value of n, this is how you have to find the value. Next problem, prove that cos 7 theta by cos theta is equal to 64 cos power 6 theta minus 112 cos power 4 theta plus 56 cos square theta minus 7. The formula is cos n theta is equal to cos power n theta minus nc2 cos power n minus 2 theta sin square theta plus nc4 cos power n minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta minus etc. Here we want to find cos 7 theta. So put n is equal to 7 in the place of n. That is cos 7 theta is equal to cos power 7 theta minus 7c2 cos power 7 minus 2 theta sin square theta plus 7c4 cos power 7 minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta minus 7c6 cos power 7 minus 6 theta sin power 6 theta. 7c2, 7c4 and 7c6 taken from Pascal's triangle. So here n value is 7. So you write up to 7 terms. 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 2 is 2, then 1. 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, then 1. Then 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, then 1. 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, then 1. Then 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 is 15, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 5 is 15, 5 plus 1 is 6, then 1. Then last one is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 plus 15 is 21. 15 plus 20 is 35. 20 plus 15 is 35. 15 plus 6 is 21. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 1. This is 7C0. This is 7C1, 7C2, 7C3, 7C4, 7C5, 7C6 and 7C7. Now we expand cos 7 theta. That is cos power 7 theta, 7c2 cos power 5 theta sin square theta plus 7c4 cos power 3 theta sin power 4 theta, 7c6 cos theta sin power 6 theta. Cos power 7 theta, 7c2 is 21, cos power 5 theta, sin square theta, 7c4 is 35, cos cube theta, sin power 4 theta, 7c6 is 7, so minus 7, cos theta, sin power 6 theta. In RHS, all the values are in terms of cos theta. So, you replace sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta in all the places. Cos power 7 theta minus 21 cos power 5 theta. Sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square theta plus 35 cos cube theta. Sin power 4 theta is 1 minus cos square theta whole square minus 7 cos theta 1 minus cos square theta whole cube. Now expanding this using a minus b whole square formula and a minus b whole cube formula. That is cos power 7 theta minus 21 cos power 5 theta 1 minus cos square theta plus 35 cos cube theta. 1 minus cos square theta whole square is 1 square minus 2 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta minus 7 cos theta. Expanding this, 1 cube minus 3 a square b, a value is 1 and b value is cos square theta plus 3 a value is 1, b square is cos power 4 theta minus b cube. Cos square theta whole cube is cos power 6 theta. Cos 7 theta is equal to cos power 7 theta Operate 21 cos power 5 theta inside, that is 21 cos power 5 theta plus 21 cos power 7 theta plus 35 cos cube theta into 1 is 35 cos cube theta. 35 cos cube theta minus 2 cos square is minus 70 cos power 5 theta plus 35 cos power 7 theta minus 7 cos theta into 1 is 7 cos theta plus 21 cos cube theta minus 7 cos theta into 3 cos power 4 theta is minus 21 cos power 5 theta minus 7 cos theta minus cos power 6 theta is plus 7 cos power 7 theta. The highest power is 7. Add all the 7th power terms, that is 1 plus 21 plus 35 plus 7 is 64 cos power 7. 64 cos power 7 theta. Then add all the 5th power, minus 21 minus 70 minus 21 is minus 112. Minus 112 cos power 5 theta. Then add all the 3rd power terms. 35, here 21, 56. So plus 56 cos cube theta. Then the last term is 7 cos theta. We want to prove that cos 7 theta by cos theta is 64 cos power 6 theta minus 112 cos power 4 theta plus 56 cos square theta minus 7. So take one cos theta outside, that is cos theta 64 cos power 6 theta minus 112 cos power 4 theta plus 56 cos square theta minus 7. Then this can be written as cos 7 theta by cos theta. When cos theta goes to left hand side, it becomes cos 7 theta by cos theta. Then you write the other terms as it is, cos power 64 cos power 6 theta minus 112 cos power 4 theta plus 56 cos square theta minus 7. This is how you have to prove cos power n theta problems. This is the easiest way of solving cos and theta problems. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.